Hi, good morning everybody. This is another video from our life in the Philippines. Today we're gonna actually go and get my wife's driver's license. She actually renewed it last year on her birthday, I believe 2017. It was due, but they couldn't print them, so for a year we've been waiting for them to actually be able to print her new driver's license. So we're going to head out there today, and it's going to be a while, probably a long wait, a lot of people waiting in line. I already got mine done, and since I'm a senior I can walk in and out pretty quick, but I expect that we have to wait today for a few hours to get it done. And right now she's trying to get ready here for having a photograph done, and here she is. She's trying to fix her hair and make herself a little pretty for a photograph. So we're just gonna get ready and take you on a ride up there. We are actually gonna ride our motorcycle, so we'll get a little ride to get to see a little bit about our community. So we're going to take a ride up there to the motorcycle place here in a minute, and this is my ride. It's actually a pretty nice little bike. It's only 220cc. It is assembled here in Philippines by Kawasaki. So come on and enjoy the ride up there. So,
hi guys.
Edu redo. Are you ready for a ride? Okay.
Yes.
Here you go. So let's get our
Helmet. My helmet.
When you film, watch the camera. You know, you don't want to film the legs, people. Okay, hon. Here's your helmet.
Thank you.
Oh, where did I put my keys?
I don't know.
I think they're upstairs. Yeah, let me go and get them. I'll be right back.
Okay. So we're going to the LTO. Get my license. Look at that bike. So gorgeous. So nice. Avenger, Kawasaki Avenger. That's our bike.
I'm ready.
Okay, hold this one.
I think it's going to be rain today.
Yep. Hi Josh. School ka na? So hot.
Yeah, do you need to lock the door?
Camille is over there. Guys, here we go.
We're taking a shortcut.
What?
We're taking the shortcut.
What you wanna say?
I said we're taking the shortcut.
Yeah, we're taking a short drive. Just a short drive. It's a little bit shaky here.
Speed bumps.
Yeah.
This is a typical little neighborhood we're going through right now. As you can see, there's roads are not very wide here. Barely a car can meet each other, and sometimes not. And like I said, it's a short ride. We are actually arriving at the office already.
Yeah. Here we are. We're here on the
Alright,
LTO
so
office.
alright, I just got that on video. And I'm gonna post it too. So where did you go today?
LTO.
LTO. So
Yes.
you got your driver's license?
Yes.
Show me. Show us.
Okay, wait.
The truth is, I got tired of waiting because the wait was actually over 4.5 hours. There you go. There you go. There you go. You have your license. So I went home and relaxed a little bit.
Yeah, I'm the one who's sitting over there for how many hours?
I think we got there at what 12, and you were done
What time is it?
4:35.
Yeah.
Yeah,
4:35.
just before they closed. Okay, so we got the license done, and that is a good thing. Now we're gonna go and
Buy
get
potato.
our some
Buy potato.
dinner. All right.
Yeah.